Welcome back to EiwayShop. In today's video, we're diving into the world of makeup organization. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast with a growing collection or someone looking to declutter and streamline your beauty routine, you've come to the right place. Join us as we share expert tips and clever storage solutions to help you organize your makeup collection like a pro. Let's transform your beauty space into a clutter-free haven of creativity and inspiration. Tip 1. Assessing your makeup collection. Before diving into organization, it's essential to assess your makeup collection. Take inventory of all your makeup products, including foundations, concealers, eyeshadows, lipsticks, and more. Evaluate each item to determine its condition, expiration date, and frequency of use. This step will help you identify what to keep, what to declutter, and what to prioritize during the organization process. Tip 2. Decluttering and sorting. Decluttering is a crucial step in organizing your makeup collection. Begin by sorting through your products and separating them into categories such as face makeup, eye makeup, lip products, and skincare. As you sort, take note of any expired or unused products that can be discarded. Be ruthless in your decluttering process to create space for the items you truly love and use. Tip 3. Choosing the right storage solutions. Once you've decluttered your makeup collection, it's time to choose the right storage solutions. Invest in organizers and containers that are functional, durable, and visually appealing. Consider factors such as size, shape, and compartmentalization to accommodate your specific makeup products and storage needs. From acrylic organizers to drawer dividers and makeup bags, there are endless storage solutions available to suit every space and style. Tip 4. Maximizing space and efficiency. Maximizing space and efficiency is key to maintaining an organized makeup collection. Utilize vertical storage solutions such as shelves, racks, and wall-mounted organizers to make the most of your space. Group similar items together and assign designated areas for each product category to streamline your beauty routine and minimize clutter. Additionally, consider implementing a rotation system to ensure that all your products get equal use and attention. Tip 5. Labeling and accessibility. Labeling your makeup storage containers can help you stay organized and save time when searching for specific products. Use adhesive labels, chalkboard labels, or label makers to clearly identify each container's contents. Additionally, prioritize accessibility by placing frequently used items within easy reach and organizing products based on your daily routine. This will streamline your makeup application process and prevent frustration during busy mornings or rushed evenings. Congratulations on organizing your makeup collection like a pro. By following expert tips and clever storage solutions, you've transformed your beauty space into a clutter-free haven of creativity and inspiration. Remember to regularly reassess and declutter your collection to maintain its organization and efficiency over time. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to subscribe to EiwayShop for more beauty tips, tutorials, and organization inspiration. Until next time, happy organizing.